Thanks for coming with me as I make my June calendar, which is a little late. The great thing about not having enough time to do my usual process is that it allowed me to get creative about how to be quick. So this month, I didn't really draw out any art ahead of time. I did use the pencil for spacing on things like making the letters aligned down the middle of the page and also spaced out to make it so they fit in a way that I like them to. I also used the pencil to create the boxes, or at least some spaces that would show me where to put boxes on my calendar. Other than that, I just decided to freehand some little doodles throughout the calendar. So although my monthly calendar spread and bullet journal does tend to have lots of different styles and different things depending on my mood, this time it was just the quickest doodle calendar that I could come up with, and I think that it was actually a good idea for me to have to be quick. I hope that my experience making a quick doodle calendar helps you if you are interested in doing something with a little bit of pizzazz, but you don't have a lot of time or a lot of materials. This was my best effort in a short amount of time. Hello, I'm your Doodle Dragon, and I am here to provide you with some great ideas, a little bit of inspiration, and some friendliness as I create different bullet journals and calendars, as well as greeting cards for all occasions, and just lots of doodles for fun. If you like this kind of video, then feel free to like and subscribe. I'd love to share more of my ideas with you, and also for my ideas to get spread around and just help other people who are looking for a little bit of inspiration. I decided to write hello at the top of this little message board on this page for myself because I was so busy that it was hard for me to even stop and look at what's going on and think and plan. And so I thought, hello. And I've got little speaking bubbles and thought bubbles. And then, of course, I like to always track my yoga and planning and my exercise. Sometimes the things I track differ a little bit, but I usually always track 3. Even if I don't fill it in on a daily basis, just having 3 things and not a whole bunch on my list helps me to prioritize. Since one of my priorities with this bullet journal was to be quick and another was to be simple, I did sketch out just a few little dots and lines to help me with the spacing. I love these dot matrix pages, and they're actually file cards that I use to put in my bullet journal. It's nice for me to use file cards because the ink does not go through the cards, and so it's nice and clean on both sides of the paper. And also it's nice and thick, and so it doesn't get too beat up, and it's easy to find inside of my journal. I use a Happy Planner bullet journal, which is what the little holes you see down the side are, and I find it nice to put the pages in and take them out, and so I can keep using the same journal for multiple years. I do love the Happy Planners. You could do the same thing with 3-ring binders, and they do come in different sizes. And I think there's other brands that have something similar to the Happy Planner as well. Another thing that you'll see on my bullet journals is always a page of gratitude. And here I just have little thought bubbles and speaking bubbles about things I am thankful for. You can see what I was grateful for in May right here in the beginning of this little tour of the bullet journal. This is how the whole thing turned out. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I appreciate the time that we spent together. Have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.